Hi, good morning, ma'am and sir. I'm Julina Parcon. I'm Julina Parcon, 47 years of age. Um, I my experience as a domestic helper first from UAE, in Jeddah, Dubai. I work as domestic helper for 2 years, and I look after newborn and all around in the household costs. And some my experience in Hong Kong also for how many years. Then I look after also newborn, toddlers, children, and my employers. I do marketing, cleaning, ironing, um, and I'm pretty sure I can manage all my works at home. Thank you.